Welcome to the 4-month update video, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, please like the video and be sure to subscribe for more. And I'll put a link down below for anybody that's looking to purchase this product. Okay, now let's get right into it. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the water behavior before I wash the car. And as you can see, there is a decent amount of buildup, especially along the sides. They've been salting the roads now for the last week or so, and it's been about 3 weeks since I last washed this car. And the product so far did very well in the summer, as we saw with the 2-month update video. But since that video, we've had a ton of rainfall, and now the temperature is starting to drop rather quickly. Like, it's 2 degrees Celsius today, with temperatures dropping below 0 during the night. And for my US viewers, that's about 32 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can already see, even with the car being dirty, there is evidence that the ceramic wax is still holding up. And now I'll go ahead and give this thing a contact wash using a pH neutral soap with no waxes or gloss enhancing polymers added. This will be the 7th wash since applying the wax, guys. And even after washing the car, as I rinsed it off, I can tell you guys that the hydrophobic properties have taken a bit of a hit. But nonetheless, the water is still beating and sheeting, as you guys will see later. The bottom half of the doors and rocker panels, in my opinion, took the biggest hit, but that's to be expected, as that's where most of the road film will build up. After washing the car, I completely dried off the left rear door, and you'll see later on that both left rear and left front doors sheet at the same time, indicating that there is no soap residue left on the car to influence the water behavior. So overall, I'm very happy with how this has held up after 4 months of Pacific Northwest weather, and now we will get to see if it'll hold up for another 2 months of road salt and cold temperatures. Like I said before, guys, I'm extremely happy with how the Meguairs hybrid ceramic wax has held up, but now I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and watch the water bead and sheet off of the car. for anyone that made it this far into the video, here is some bonus footage for you guys showing how the water behaves as I dry it off with my Greenworks leaf blower. Again guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more content.